Hey everyone, thanks for checking out the video. Today we're going to be doing a quick walkthrough of the newly renovated Palms Casino and Resort in Las Vegas, Nevada. Palms has been open since 2001 but recently spent $690 million on renovations. Let's check out what's new. Palms is unique in that it caters to both locals and tourists. As such, you're going to find lots of video poker machines as well as the newest slot machines that you would find on Las Vegas Boulevard. Tim Ho Wan is a dim sum restaurant slated to open in the fall of 2019. They're actually a chain of dim sum restaurants all over the world that found fame when two of their restaurants in Hong Kong earned a Michelin star. This is the Tonic Bar, located right in front of the Race and Sportsbook. Iron Chef Michael Simon opened Mabel's Barbecue in late 2018. There's also a secret restaurant within a restaurant inside Mabel's Barbecue called Sarah's. If you're into upscale French American dishes, you may want to check it out. The High Limit Slot Room is next to their High Limit Table Room. The High Limit Table Room also has a bar catering to its players. Coming up on the left is their upscale Camden Lounge. You're also going to find all your standard table games here as well, such as blackjack, craps, roulette, baccarat, pai gow, and ultimate Texas Hold'em. Their lobby bar is called Unknown and features a unique shark centerpiece. They also have cocktail lounges not located on the casino floor, such as Mr. Coco, which is located on the third floor of the Fantasy Tower, and the Rojo Lounge, which is in the lobby of Palms Place, the adjacent condo tower. Coming up are the elevators that get you to Apex Nightclub. located on the 55th floor. Behind that are another set of elevators that take you to their Italian restaurant called Vetri Cucina, located on the 56th floor with a view of the Las Vegas Boulevard. Then we have Scotch 80 Prime, which is known for their steaks and top shelf whiskey. Iron Chef Bobby Flay just opened his newest seafood restaurant called Shark. Side Piece is a pizza joint selling pizza by the slice or the whole pie. Next to Side Piece is Green Street Kitchen, offering Asian fusion dishes. To get to it, you need to go through a secret door in an arcade filled with classic arcade games. Lucky Penny is their 24-hour cafe, and it's located next to the indoor entrance of Chaos, their newly opened day club nightclub. In the Fantasy Tower are the View, Nove, and Moon, all of which are closed now. Nove used to be an Italian restaurant, and the other two were lounges. The Moon, however, is open for private functions or available as rental space. Also, if you have an eye for art, you're going to find Easter eggs of contemporary art hanging all throughout the casino and restaurants. If you like a little bit or a lot of everything, their buffet is called ACE, A-Y-C-E, which stands for All You Can Eat. Right next to the buffet is their Asian noodle bar called Send Noodles. Next to Send is the entrance to their concert theater named Pearl. Pearl has 2,500 seats, 18 skyboxes, and 2 VIP lounges. Palms also has a state-of-the-art recording studio available for rent, and you guessed it, it's called Studio at the Palms. For those that just want to grab and go, their food court offers McDonald's, Panda Express, Earl of Sandwich, Chronic Tacos, and the Coffee Bean. Brendan Theaters also has a 14-screen theater right next to the food court, with one of the screens showing movies on IMAX.
And that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.